Good Saturday morning, y'all. This is last Saturday's video, and I am going to copy it and then go to this, paste it, and pick a winner, and I'll show you what we're winning. Start. What did I do? Okay, what have I done? I'll tell you what, let me refresh this. Okay, I haven't done something right. Copy. Paste. Okay, I think I neglected 31 comments. There we go. That's my friend Rob. Just Plain Common Sense, and I'm going to do a video about him very soon. He's got a subscriber giveaway that y'all need to go subscribe to his channel and get in on that. Let me show you what I'm giving away. This is the local people here. That's the same place that I got the Savs salsa from, and it's Keep It Simple Gourmet Mixes. And they make all kinds of mixes, but these are dips. And the favorite, by and large, is this Applewood smoked bacon dip mix. But my favorite is this one, the garlic and onion dip mix. And so I'm giving all three of these away to, well, actually Rob, so I won't have to mail them. Although right now he's in Meridian, Mississippi. And if you'll go to Just Plain Common Sense's channel, you'll see why he's in Meridian, Mississippi. He's a heck of a guy, and if you're not subscribed to him, you're missing out. And I'm really proud to call him my friend, because he's just a guy you feel good knowing. Anyway, congratulations, Rob. I know you like dip. Although you're thin and healthy, you probably don't eat chips. You probably eat tofu and, you know, healthy stuff. And, damn you. 51 or 2 years old, and he looks like he's frickin' 30. I don't know how he does it. Anyway, thanks for watching, y'all. Have a good Saturday. I'm making you an egg sandwich too. This is disgusting, but this is what she wants. But then again, some people would say this is disgusting. And I use a lot of that. You want cheese on yours?
Just a little bit.
A little bit of cheese? Okay. Oh, you lucky dog. Okie dokie.
We sold our policy. Now we have money to help with the medical bills.
Can you get it in
Who gets
between
this?
the
Who gets this?
in between the? Oh, they think, oh, that's from me. Thank you very
Okay.
much.
Okie dokie. That and a glass of V8. That is a breakfast. Shall we eat?